One thing about the rainforest here in Thailand is, and I'm sure all rainforests, but are the leeches are a problem. So, I don't know, we've had several leeches on us that we had to stop and pick off. A couple of them got into us, bleeding a little bit. Yesterday there was a guy, he got a leech on his leg, and once he finally got it off, he bled for a couple hours afterwards. So leeches are not scarce around here, so we'll show you some video of the leeches too. But there's the bamboo in the sunlight. Very nice. That looks like my God is Wisdom website. GodIsWisdom.com, almost the same. You can check there.
Already phone from someone. His blood group.
Yeah, there's blood though.
Yeah. Oh yes.
Okay.
Get out. Okay.
Not camera. Camera not now. You can make a photo first. I tell you again.